array. So array is the collection of variable or object. So if we want to define, so it will be collection of variable or object. Now we will dig into it. We will try to find out what is array, what is the feature of it, and how we are making array. So first we will come back to like how we are storing the variable. Like suppose we have a variable like int a, comma b, comma c. These three variables over there. And now this is the memory. So now this a, b, c will be in one location A, another location B, another location C. So that is decided by operating system randomly in the memory. We don't have any control on that one where it will be. And when we actually access, so they have the different address. Now this part what I'm telling, this is not part of the DP syllabus, but for understanding you should know this. So for A, B, C, they have different physical address. Like this may have like 100. This is maybe 200. This can be 50. So they have different memory location. So now same thing. If I want to declare as array, how it will look like? So if it is array, then it will be like this. So main difference you can see from here, this three location, memory location, that they are consecutive. They are not scattered, but here they are consecutive. So I can use one variable, like suppose if I want to declare this one, I will declare like this int. How many are there? How many places are there? How many cells are there? 3. So when we do this part, it is now operating system, how it will access. Like here we have seen this is the 100, 250, whatever, just we have just assumed some value, but here it will be like this. Suppose this is 100. The first position is 100 and we use the index to 0 and it starts with 2. Suppose we have value like 10, 5 and 9. These are the values inside. So if I want to access 5, how I will access? Sahas, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how I will access? I will access this is the X array, right? This is the X array.
Yes, ma'am.
So how I will access? So it will be X. So variable name, then the index. Now
Yes.
how they access, so operating system will remember only 100. Now it needs to access this one. So how it will access? Now in different language, different data type takes different kind of space in the memory. In Java or integer, it is 4 bytes. So first, if the x0 is the 100 position, so it will be 100, x of 1 will be 100 plus 100 plus. Now for memory location, for each memory location, it is taking 4 bytes, 4, and which memory location it is 1. So calculation goes like this. So it will be 104. This calculation is not part of the DP syllabus, but for understanding, basic understanding, you should know that one. Any doubt in this portion? Sahas, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So this basic structure you have understood, how we declare array.
Yes. So, ma'am,
Yeah.
x of 1 is the first index, like the first, is it index number? So would you get the second value?
Come again, please.
Like when you write x and then 1 in square brackets, is
Hmm.
1 the, is that the
Index. This is the index.
index?
Yes, yes,
So index number, right? So you'll get
yes,
5.
yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay, got it. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, understood.
This is the index number. Yeah. Okay. So now some basic operation we need to do for the array. So that we will learn. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So first, creating array. In creating array, we have two part, empty array, and then we may have creating array. Then we have this with value.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, taking input.
Yes, ma'am.
Showing output. Then, so these are the first basic sets.
Yes, ma'am.
Next set is sum of the array, sum of
Yes, ma'am.
array elements, average of array elements,
Yes, ma'am.
then printing backwards. This is the second set. Now after
Yes.
this, there will be like lot of different array operation will be over there. We will do one by one. So first let us understand how we can do this one. Okay, first I will do the pseudocode. First we will do the pseudocode and we will write the uh, Java programming simultaneously so that you can understand. Okay. So I'm
Yes,
opening
ma'am.
BlueJ.
So, ma'am, these are like the most common questions.
So this is the basic. This is the
Yes,
basic.
ma'am.
Most common question in for exam. We have not decided yet. Now these are the basic one we are learning. First we have to learn this
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Then we can practice other thing. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Got it, ma'am.
Okay. So array demo. I'm creating one class array demo. I'm deleting the rest of the portion. And now first Now we need to write the public void main, public static void main. Okay, so this is the basic structure, right? Now, first, what is the first one we are doing? First one is the creating array. Creating an empty array and creating array without the value. So first I'm creating one array with value. Okay, how we can do that one? So if I want to create one array in Java, what I need to write is that you can see the blue screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So int a, write this way, and then write, just give the value 45, 8, 9, 23, 123, 22. So this is how we can declare an array with direct initialization. With direct initialization, we are creating this array. Same thing if we want to write in the IB pseudocode notation, how I can write? I will write like this. Just write, you can write the same value 45, 8, 9, 45, 8, 9, 123, 22. So this is how we can write the same way we can write in the IB notation also for the pseudocode. Is this part is clear?
Yeah, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay. Next is what we are going to do is that I want to print this value. So first I can count how many numbers are over there, but I can find out what is the length of the array using one function, inbuilt function. I'm declaring a variable L. So int L equals to a dot length.
Yes, ma'am.
So now L will be, if I print this L, it will show 5. System dot out dot println.
So we just do like for I from 1 to 5, you print all the values.
No, we can't do that way. It's not like Python. We can't do that way. So system
Yes.
out dot println, I'm just writing L. So it will
Yes.
just first, it will print only the length, that is 5. Okay, so let us compile and close. Five. Array length is 5. Now let's go
Yes.
back over here. I can write a bit. I can write the array length is. You can write this way. The array length is like that. Next is, now we generally for printing array we use the for loop, because we use for loop when we know how many numbers we want to work with, right? So for int I equals to 0. What is the last index? What is the last index for this? This is starting from 0, right?
4.
0, 1,
4.
2.
Oh, 3 only.
I
Okay.
think I think we have missed one over here, which I have written.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah. So not a problem. So here, if we open this one, the array demo, yes, 9 we have missed over there. So if we open this one, so it is 0 location, 1, then 2, then 3, then 4.
Yes, ma'am.
So whatever is the length, it will be always lesser than 1 less. So the condition is I less than 1. And then you just write A of I. Why A of I? Because first I will be 0. So A of 0 it will print. Then I will be 1. It will print A of 1. Then A of 2. So on.
Oh, that's it, ma'am. You don't have to like, you
Yeah,
can just
that's,
do that and output the entire thing.
yes.
Oh, in Python, you have to do like a loop, right, ma'am?
So this is
That's
loop
why.
I have done, right? This is the loop.
Oh, yeah, 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 yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So that's all we have to do, right? Okay, got it, ma'am.
Yes.
Wait, but for I is less than 1.
Not one. This is L.
Oh, L. Okay, yeah.
L.
Yeah,
Small L.
understood.
Small L. This
Yes,
is small L.
yes, ma'am. Got it.
So the array length is 5, 45, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 22. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Got it.
Okay. So now you tell me I want to print this backward. So how I can print it? How I can print this one?
Print system. Mm, I is equal to L. Yeah,
Uh,
I is equal to L. I less than, no, I greater than.
It is starting from where? You tell me. It is starting from where? Like say we have one 9 over here,
Starts at 22.
right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So it is like this. So it is starting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
3, 4. Yeah, just start from 4.
So 4 means what is the length?
L
Length
minus
is
1.
5.
Yes,
So it
so
is
L minus
starting
1.
from, it is starting from,
L minus 1.
yes, great. So
So I is equal to L minus 1. And then I is greater than 0. Greater than equal to 0. And then L I minus minus, if that works.
so first it is starting from L minus 1.
L minus 1. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then it will decrease for sure.
Yes, ma'am. So minus.
Now you may have confusion over here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Whether greater than, lesser than, and all these things. So when you have the confusion, you write, do the rest of the portion. And then now you tell me, uh, what is L minus 1? What is the value of L minus 1?
4.
What is the value of I?
Um,
I is L
5.
minus 1. What is the value
Uh,
of L?
L is 5. L minus 1 is 4.
What till how long it will go? Till how
Um,
long it will go? From 4 to where it will go?
till 0.
Yes, till 0. So we need to write the 0 over here.
Yes, ma'am.
We need to write 0. Now we need to decide. I, you have said 4 and 0 is 0 already. So which one is the greater than sign?
I is greater than.
Yes. So we will do this way.
Greater than equal to, right? Or
Yes,
only
greater
to.
than equals to.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you are in confusion, what you do is that first write I over here. Write the range. Like, you know, this one we have written I, and then you see right now what is the condition. I is bigger
Yes,
than, right?
yes, ma'am.
Bigger than 0. So you will give the greater than sign. So rest of the portion will remain same. You compile this one. There is error. Let me check the error. Yes, I have declared twice. So we need a separate variable, right? I think that's the error. Control K. Uh, yeah, done. Close.
Yes, ma'am.
So the array length is 5, printing forward, printing backward. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay, so now let us write this one in the pseudocode, IB pseudocode also. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so how I will write? So let us go back to our program. Let's open this one. So what I will do is that let us take this full thing and how I can write the pseudocode of it. Okay, so let's write. So like I have shown, like I have shown you before, integer a, then you just write the values 45, 8, 9, 123, 22. Done. Okay, any pseudocode start with begin. So you write begin. Then this, now the length. Same way you will write integer L equals to a dot length. Will not change, nothing will change over here. Now the system out dot println, it's an output statement, right? So this is just a statement to explain more. So you may write this one, you may not write, because this is not doing anything that way. But okay, we can print it, the array length is. So you can write output, or you can write print. Both you can write. Output, the array length is, the array length is L. Done. Now I am printing backward. Same way, you can write output, you can write print. So here I am just writing print. Print equals to printing forward. Now this loop structure. So how I will write the loop structure? So I will write like this: loop, I from loop I from 0 to 0 to now lesser than L. Lesser than L means lesser than equals to L minus 1. L minus 1, and then print A of I.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you do the end loop. Same way we can write the backward one. How I will write the backward one? Loop I from L minus 1 to, tell me, L minus 1 to,
L minus 1 to 0.
yeah. But see, when we increase, so it's by default, right? When we decrease, we need to write that one. So I from L minus 1 to 0. So you need to write
Step minus 1, right?
step minus 1. Yes, step
Yeah, ma'am.
minus 1. Then you print.
And then loop. Yes, ma'am.
Done. So begin, also you do end. So this is the end of the pseudocode. Is it clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Yeah. So now we will do how to do the sum of the array. How long you have the time, Sahas?
Till 8:15, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. So we will do the sum of the array, right? So let us go back over here. First understand the logic, sum of the array, how it will happen. So
Yeah, I
first,
think I actually know how to do it, ma'am.
you know,
Like I think I got the logic.
you got the logic. So can you
Yeah,
try
I
and
think so.
send
Yeah,
me?
sure, ma'am.
Yeah, please.